Okay, step-by-step instructions on how to winterize your lawn irrigation system. Step 1, shut your water valve off so that it's perpendicular, not with the pipe, perpendicular. You'll locate your water supply and main valve if you have one outdoors, and you'll probably have a plug in the pipe somewhere for winterization. At that point you'll have to get some sort of configuration like this in order to introduce your air supply. By the way, if you don't have an air compressor, you really won't be able to winterize your system. So this is my main valve before it goes to all my sub valves, zone valves, and you'll turn the head of that in order to open it up, and then you leave it open. Step 3 is to find your zone valve distribution box. I happen to have 2 of them. This is one of them, and you might see some dirt build up. You'll have to dig them out a little bit, and but otherwise sometimes they're pretty clear. This one happens to be pretty overgrown with dirt, and you'll take the valve. It has an on-off indicator on the side, and you spin the head until it stops. See, spin the head till it stops. And over here, I don't know if you can see that, but it says on off, so you spin it in that direction. Then you proceed to go introduce air. Next step, take your air supply, and plug it in. Then you'll run and see the sprinkler head. So if you don't have a big compressor, you see one of the heads shooting out air, take your finger and clog it. This way you can get enough pressure to the other heads. And when you see nothing but mist come out, then you know that all the water has been depleted from the system, and that line is good to go as far as winterization goes. By the way, guys, if I'm talking too fast or slow, underneath the video you'll see a settings button. Click that, and on playback you could select the speed slower or faster to your needs, so that if I'm talking too slow you can speed me up. So then come back here, disconnect your air. Now the part of this that's a little bit of pain is that if you have a smaller compressor, or even a regular not so industrial compressor, you'll have to wait for the tank to charge up fully again before you go to the next zone. So while you're waiting for that, you just come back, shut the zone that you've just completed, and then open up your next zone, and then listen for your compressor to finish charging, and repeat this whole process. Fortunately, I have 10 zones, so I'll be here for a while doing this, but I will have saved at least $150 to winterize my sprinkler system. Hope this helps you, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Thank you.